Hello everyone, welcome back to Try Pure Logic. Today I'm going to show you how to find the area of some shapes. So let's start. So you're going to find the area. Now I've given this one rectangle. Suppose this is one room, okay? And this is one house you can take, and inside there is a room. Clear? Suppose this length of the outer room is, or outer rectangle you can say, is 100 centimeter and the breadth is 90 centimeter, right? And inside part it is 80 centimeter and this part is suppose 60 centimeter. Clear? What is the question? The question is you need to find out the area of this portion. This portion area you need to find out. So what you are going to do? Very easy process, just listen. First what we will do, we will find out the area of the outer rectangle. So, or you can say the big rectangle. So area of the outer rectangle is how much? Area of outer part or outer rectangle also you can write down. Area formula is what? Area equals to length into breadth. Clear? So 100 centimeter into 90 centimeter, which is equals to how much? 9,000 centimeters square. Don't forget to give centimeter square. Many of you often forget the signs unit. Okay, don't forget that. Now what I'm going to do, area of the outer part is done. Now if you get the area of the inner part and you subtract the outer and inner, what you will get? You will get the remaining part. The full portion is the outer part, that is the bigger one. From there, if you subtract the inner room, won't you get the area of this part? Yes. So, area of inner room also you can write down, or inner part. What is the area of the inner part? 80 centimeter into 60 centimeter. Clear? So 8 into 6 is 48 and 2 zeros centimeter square. Done? Now what I am going to do, I am going to subtract big minus small. So outer part minus inner part. So area of the shaded portion, I am writing it. Therefore, area of the shaded portion will be equals to what? 9,000 minus 4800. So what will be your answer? 0, 0 and here 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. You have taken carry. So it will be 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Clear? Don't forget to give centimeter square. That's it. So in this way, you need to find out the area of the shaded portion. Now you may get some question this way also. Suppose the inner portion, the inner length and breadth is not given, outer is given, and this wide, this part, how much it is wide, that is given. Then how you will find out? Let's start. Now, the second portion, how to do? See, suppose I have taken one area, rectangular shape area, and the length is 100 centimeter or meter also you can take 80 centimeter, and there is a park inside. Park length and breadth is not given, but there is a path all around the park, and that is 5 centimeter gap. Every side that is 5 centimeter gap. So what will be the area of this path? Means this path area you need to find out. Clear? What you will do? Last sum you have seen that from the outer rectangle I have subtracted the inner one. But here inner length and breadth is not given. So for that, I need to find out that inner one. Now, think one way. How to get this inner length and breadth? See the drawing carefully. See, the drawing is in this way. Out is 100. Inner portion, I don't know. So this side till this much. This all portion till this much, it is 5 centimeter. Till this much, it is 5 centimeter. Clear? So both side 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, that is 10 centimeter. If you subtract from 100, you get 90. So this portion, you are getting this portion, that means this portion you are getting. That means this portion will be 90 centimeter. So if you cut this from here and this from here, that means after subtracting from here 100 minus 10, you are getting the inside, that is 90 centimeter. So we got the length of the inner rectangle. Similarly, 80 minus 10. Why 10? Because from this side it is 5. From this side it is 5. Both sides 5, that is 10. If you subtract 10, won't you get this portion? That means this portion is equal to that much. That is 70. So this portion you are getting 70. Once you get the inner circle, inner rectangle and the outer rectangle, now it's easy. Same way like the previous sum, you can solve the sum. So let's do. So area of outer rectangle is how much? 100 centimeter into 80 centimeter, that is 8,000 centimeter square. Clear? Now, area of inner rectangle is how much? We got 90 into 70. So that is 6300 centimeter square. Now what I'm going to do, like the previous sum, same way, outer minus inner, you will get the path. So therefore, area of the path is equals to how much? 8,000 minus 6300, which is equals to 1700 centimeter square. Clear? So this all sums are very important in measurement chapter. Okay. So while measuring this all thing, you need to be very, very careful. Okay. Because once you understand the concept, see the full thing is 100 and we know the path wide is 5 centimeter gap. So 5 centimeter if this way, so this side also 5, that means this full portion is 5. So if you subtract this portion and if you subtract this portion from 100, 5 minus 5, that is 10, you are getting the same length, this one you are getting, which is equals to this one. Clear? So in this way, you need to get the inner length and breadth. Once you get the inner length and breadth, very easy, outer minus inner rectangle you do, you will get the path. Clear? So that's all for today. If you like my video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Tada!